Nag-take over mode si Dimasuman Vic Manuel mga idol sa kanang crucial matchup laban sa Nueva Ecija Game 1 Best of 3 Series Quarterfinals. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanang crucial in-game. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
So many teams, 3 games per day. It's just too many.
Even the season alone has produced a lot of milestones and highlights. Really
Already.
Robles, bounce pass sa ilalim. Macaloni nawala sa kanyang bola. Manuel in transition. Nice pass. Victoria extends. Lays it in. Abante ang Pangasinan lang siya. Quickly on the other side. Marcelino, hang time move.
Binawi ang kagad ni Marcelino. Manuel, way off, but Melencio gets it inside. He gets fouled in the face.
Hard foul given up.
That was a hard foul. I think they're gonna...
As a coach, he's been through this before. Coach Don Dulay and the rest of his coaching staff. Posher still to stick to what they are running with a little tweak.
Steering the ship here for the Rice Vanguards.
And he would always show concern sa kanyang mga kasama. It's just who Don Dulay is as Pagsanhan will get the easiest basket.
JC, Manaytay puts in his third triple of the ball game.
The free throw story, but this one,
Big time free from Big Bang Toto. Cuts the lead down to 4, 75-71. Mabulak silences the crowd momentarily with a turnaround. Still with a basketball with 9 on the shot clock. They go to Vic Manuel. Dapat kay Manaytay. Manuel again. Dapat kay Manaytay. Manuel again. Turns around and scores. 70%. JC. Bounce pass. Macaloni. Point blank score. Hornset. 2 screens up top. Choosing the left side. They go to Pagsanhan. At the post. Manuel. Pumikot. Gets the friendly by the post. Manuel. Pumikot. Gets the friendly bounce.
Vic Manuel this time on the other side, the left block.
Macaloni with his 15-point. Baba sa 6 ang lamang. Time left here in the 4th. JC Marcelino will pull up for free. Off the heel. Sen is there to clean it up. Lead is Garcia. They reset their offense. Mocon pulling up from the free throw line and he puts it in. It's never led since the tail end of the first quarter. Manuel. Macaloni on him. Manuel makes his move and he puts it in. Big time players make big time plays. How about the muscle man? And that last time out, JC Marcelino against Michael Mabulak. He attacks. Almost got it in. 8 out of 18. Ooh. Points. But a crucial free throw. Down. 3-second differential between shot and game clock. But Coach Don wants to foul. Coach Don Dulay wants to foul. And they do get...
Calmly to tie the game, or do you play the free throw game since they're in the penalty already? And then go free throws back and forth.
Here we go. 13 seconds remaining. JC Marcelino. Nueva Ecija down by 3. JC the crossover. Pulls up for 3. Way off. Putback is gone for Macaloni. 4.5 seconds remaining. Nueva Ecija still alive.
With 4.5 seconds.
Gabo receives it. Gets fouled. Gabo, first free throw. Oh, he misses. He intentionally misses it. Robbie Salas with a rebound. A chance here. Villarias puts it up. No! Pangasinan survives.